Mastering the art of baking the perfect chocolate chip cookies. Hello, sweet-toothed aficionados. Today, we're taking a delicious journey into the world of baking. Our destination? The perfect chocolate chip cookie, crispy edges, gooey center, and all. To begin, gather your ingredients, that is. You'll need basic cookie essentials, flour, baking soda, and salt. Plus, butter, brown sugar, white sugar, vanilla extract, eggs, and of course, chocolate chips. The first step is mixing our dry ingredients. Combine the flour, baking soda, and salt in one bowl. Set this aside for now, we'll come back to it later. Now, let's cream together the butter, brown sugar, and white sugar. They should become a smooth, creamy concoction that forms the base of our cookie dough. Next, beat in the eggs one at a time. Make sure each one is fully incorporated before adding the next one. This will ensure an even distribution of moisture. Don't forget the vanilla extract. It may seem like a small detail, but trust me, it makes a world of difference. Pour it in and mix well. Now, it's time to combine our dry and wet ingredients. Slowly add the dry mixture to the butter and sugar blend. Stir gently, just until combined. Overmixing equals tough cookies literally. Then comes the star of the show, the chocolate chips. Stir these into the dough until they are evenly spread out. A sea of chips in a doughy ocean. Now, the hard part, waiting. Cover your dough and refrigerate it for at least 1 hour. This step is crucial, as it allows the flavors to meld together and intensifies the taste. During this time, you can preheat your oven to 375 degrees. Also, line your baking sheets with parchment paper for an easy cleanup and to prevent the cookies from sticking. Once an hour has passed, it's time to shape our cookies. Use a tablespoon to scoop out dough, rolling it into balls. Place these on your prepared baking sheets, leaving space for them to spread. Slide these beauties into your preheated oven. The baking process should take about 10 minutes, or until edges are beautifully golden. But remember, each oven is unique. Adjust the time as needed. When you see those golden edges, they're done. Remove your cookies from the oven and let them cool on the baking sheets for a few minutes. This allows them to set and firm up a bit. After a few minutes, transfer your cookies to wire racks to cool completely. But if you fancy a warm, gooey cookie, who's stopping you from indulging a little early? Baking the perfect chocolate chip cookies is about more than just following a recipe. It's about understanding the ingredients, the process, and most importantly, savoring the experience. Remember, the key lies in the little details, the quality of your ingredients, the way you mix your dough, and the time you allow for chilling and baking. So, put on your apron, gather your ingredients, and embark on your baking adventure. The perfect chocolate chip cookie is awaiting your mastery. And remember, the real joy is in sharing these delightful treats with your loved ones. After all, nothing says, "I care" quite like fresh, homemade chocolate chip cookies. Happy baking!